In early stage of automobile, the vehicles were meant to displace the person from one place to another. It was more of a transportation. But in recent automotive industry, it is more focused on safety, convenience and comfort of the drivers as well as passengers. With the innovation and rapid change in technology, we have seen lot of safety features, comfort and convenient technologies which are making and helping drivers to drive the vehicle. We have lot of features that have been offered to the vehicles nowadays. So let us discuss one by one. At first we have ABS, that is anti-lock braking system. So this is one of the basic safety features that we have been looking in most of the modern two-wheelers as well as four-wheeler vehicles. So ABS means anti-lock braking system, which prevents locking of wheels when you brake suddenly. So this helps not to lose the traction and maintain the control and grip over the vehicle in any emergency braking situations. So nowadays the vehicles like 125cc segments, 150, 200 and all the top end models are being fit with ABS, be it single channel, that is providing ABS features to single wheel, that is front one, or being it dual channel. We have seen lot of new features like cornering ABS as well as motor ABS. So the next one we have is electronic stability control, which breaks the individual wheels according to the traction it has with the road. So this helps to not to lose the traction or not to lose the control of the vehicle in any given surface. Next one we have traction control system. This system detects the spinning of wheels according to the throttle we have given to the vehicle, and it stops the unnecessary spinning of the wheel so that you won't lose the tire grip and just do the burnout and spin the wheel unnecessarily. So the next one we have brake assist, that when you brake harshly, the system provides additional force to the brakes so that the braking distance is reduced. So next one we have hill control system or hill hold systems, which means when you stop on a hill, the vehicle automatically applies the brake and prevents from going back. So and another feature, it is hill hold start, which means when you start a vehicle in a hill position and you want to move, until and unless the vehicle starts moving front, the vehicle will continuously keep the braking so that the vehicle won't move back and the engine gets stalled. Next one we have roll stability control, which means it reduces the throttle response according to the steer degree which you have given to the steering wheel or the handle, so that the body roll will be reduced in the vehicle. Next, electronic parking brake. This is one of the most common feature that has been implemented in the modern four-wheeler vehicle, which means the usage of traditional or conventional handbrake system via lever and cable is replaced by electronic system, that is just pressing by a button. So in the next segment we have collision prevention and mitigation. The first one we have is forward collision warning, that whenever a vehicle is moving and if a person or vehicle in front of him comes to a sudden stop, the vehicle gives warning to a driver that he should apply brake. So with related to this, there is another feature that is called automatic emergency braking, which the vehicle applies brake by itself. So coming to radar and camera monitoring, we have seen lot of advancement in the technology used in the automobiles. In this we have adaptive cruise control, which means cruising around a given speed but maintaining a safe distance from the vehicle ahead of us. So next one we have blind spot monitoring, in which the camera detects any person or vehicle which are present in the blind spot area of the driver. This helps the driver to notice or be alert whenever he wants to change the lane or want to make a turn. Next one we have lane departure warning and lane keep assist. That is, if you go out of a proper lane or if you go out of dedicated lane, your vehicle warns you about being the diversion that you make. And another one is the lane keep assist, which the vehicle will continue to steer in the same lane, maintaining the proper road sense. And next we have 360 surround view camera, which helps the driver to notice all the obstacles or the things which are surrounding his car while parking or just taking it to a drive. We have parking sensors and automatic park assist, where the vehicle will park itself by the help of these safety sensors and features. Next one we have a TPMS, that is tire pressure monitoring system, where a system will detect the tire pressure and alerts the driver just in case the tire pressure is uneven. So ultimate, we have ADAS, that is Advanced Driver Assistance System. That has been one of the most crucial thing to be implemented in any automotive vehicle, which helps the driver completely to drive safely and accident free in any zone. So we have seen lot of versions of this ADAS, that is Advanced Driver Assistance System, be it level 1, 2, 3 or 4. We are expecting the level 4 or 5 in the higher end models, but the basic car like normal 5 to 10 lakhs of budget vehicle are being fit with ADAS level 1, which is very important in traffic driving. So that's all for today. Hope we have discussed enough features which are offered in this present vehicle. So in the upcoming videos we will be knowing deep about the ADAS and how it works. Thank you.